It may sound crazy, but you don't have to have drums to start drumming. Hey everyone, my name's Jay, and this channel, Back in the Pocket, is really for anybody that either played drums before or has always wanted to learn the drums and just never had the opportunity. I started playing drums when I was pretty young. I've got pictures, I'll throw some pictures up from way back when. And I started pretty young, and then in 9th grade I started getting serious about it. So I got a Tama Swing Star, which was a pretty low-end kit, but it had a great design on it. It's kind of like Eddie Van Halen's guitar, except for it was black and white. You'll see in the pictures. Got serious, started taking lessons, played in marching band in high school, started getting really serious about drums, played in bands with some of my friends from high school, and playing a lot of heavy metal back then, Iron Maiden, Black Sabbath, all that kind of fun stuff. And then actually went to school, went to college and got a music degree. In college, pretty much had to learn a lot of theory, learn how to play piano, and also mostly studied jazz. So ended up playing a lot of gigs in the college town I was in, mostly jazz and blues at that point. And then moved back to my hometown after college and played everything I can think of. I've played orchestra pit stuff, I've played country music, rock music, wedding type music, so that could be jazz, could be blues, could be a lot of different styles. Played in church for a long time, so it's probably my longest stint was just playing in church and working for churches and that kind of stuff. Eventually kind of moved away, and for probably in my 40s, almost stopped playing altogether for various different reasons. A few years ago, I just felt like it was time to kind of get back to it. And that's really what this channel is about. Whether you played when you were younger and maybe you're in your 40s, 50s or older and you just would love to get back into it and it's just been a while, this channel is for you. Or if you wanted to play when you were younger and the circumstances didn't pan out for you to be able to do that, and you've always wanted to learn, and there again, maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, whatever, 70s, and you just are, you've always wanted to learn the drums. This channel is great for you. The way I've structured the videos, and what we're going to start with is just a 7-day course where we're basically going to just build up to playing one of the most common beats in music. And the great thing is if you don't have drums, it's okay. You're going to see that the way I've pieced the video together, that I've got a video where I'm just playing on my knees and I'm getting the motions down. I'm also playing on a practice pad, and then of course I'm playing on the electronic kit, which you can kind of see in this picture here as well. It may sound crazy, but you don't have to have drums to start drumming. You just got to start listening and paying attention to what the drummer's doing and then start playing it. And of course, eventually you'll want to work up to getting a practice pad, some sticks, and then eventually get a kit. But I also know that not everybody can afford to just run out and spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on acoustic drums or electronic drums. I'm in an apartment. I can't play acoustic drums in here. I do have an acoustic kit that I've had now for 30 some years. A few years ago, bought this rolling kit, and have never had any complaints from the neighbors as far as my playing or anything, so that's great, and that's 2 different apartments. So the goal of this channel is really just to start small, get you going at whatever place you're at, whether you have a kit, whether you don't have a kit, and just get you started playing the drums, listening to the music, and being able to play along. Appreciate you joining me, and I look forward to this journey with you.